5 animals known for being top sniffers. 1. Rats. Used in detecting landmines and diagnosing diseases, rats have an exceptional sense of smell. 2. Sharks. Capable of detecting blood in the water from miles away, sharks rely heavily on their acute sense of smell. 3. Elephants. With the most olfactory receptors of any animal, elephants can detect water sources from several miles away. 4. Dogs. Renowned for their tracking abilities, dogs have up to 300 million olfactory receptors, making them invaluable in search and rescue operations. 5. Bears. Possessing a sense of smell 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's, bears can detect food from up to 20 miles away.